Hey, welcome to today's video. Today, we are going to open the Allure Beauty Box. We don't have one. We don't have two. We have three. Want to see what's in it? Sit back, take a break at that. So if you don't know, the Allure Beauty Box is $15 a month.
Oh, I want to hold your hand too.
I got my first box last month, and I was pretty impressed with it for $15. I completely forgot what I was going to say. The first month, I got a coupon code, and it was $10. But that was only supposed to be for 1 month, I thought. But this month, they only charged me $10 too, so I was confused. I also don't think I got the thing that they're supposed to send me for you signing up. So I don't know. I'm kind of confused.
I signed up through a referral link. I got a little jar of free facial cream. I don't cream those.
But I think I was supposed to get something too, and I did not.
Some kind of facial cream or something, but there was no, like, I don't know where it came from or why. It just came. I'm assuming that's why. I don't know. So anyway, I got that, and then these were $15 a month, right? Mm-hmm. I paid for a year, I believe.
Okay.
Up front.
Okay.
So.
Cool. So, she has, because she signed up in April, she got April's box, and she got May's box. I think that's, yeah.
Amy's jelly.
Yeah, so I got April's box, and I watched her flip this open, and I was like, you've got to be kidding me.
Wait a minute. Oh, what's a sneak peek? Is that coming in May?
So this would be April's box.
Yes, okay.
So she got a little bit different.
Carol's got some big lashes.
This is Carly Bible. I didn't even think about that when we did the other unboxing. Hold on, let me move you down.
This is what you should have gotten. You should message him.
Right, because I didn't.
This is what Amy should have gotten because she referred me.
I didn't get anything.
I have gotten this through somewhere, and I love it. It's almost gone.
Oh,
I love it. I added water to make it last long.
So this is Carly Bible. She's a YouTuber, and I didn't realize that when I looked at mine. I just didn't even notice. Okay, pretty sure that's who that is, anyways. So you got a little bit different stuff. I just thought everybody got the same thing, but no. So
maybe got leftovers. Being the last one.
I don't know. But when she, like, opened this, and I saw, like, just out of the corner of my eye, I saw this, and I knew what it was, and I, like, screamed like a little girl.
Yeah. Because
I was super jealous that I did not get that. Because Juvia's Place is something I've been wanting to try. And this is Juvia's Place Custom Eyeshadow Palette. This has a $20 retail value. So it's just a 6-pan eyeshadow.
Swatch them.
I'll swatch them. You need to keep this, though. Do not try to give it to me, because that's what I was afraid is going to happen. Because I acted like a little schoolgirl.
It's not green, so.
Oh, stop. Look how pretty they are, though. I got other swatches on my hand, though, so it's not.
I like that one.
Mm-hmm. The brown over the blue isn't going so hot, but.
No.
Well, because I put it over top of the blue. So don't look at that one. But those are pretty.
Though,
yeah.
Man.
They're supposed to... Oh, I got makeup on the outside of it, sorry.
Oh,
you should try it, because I'm going to buy one of my own anyways. I'm just afraid because I freaked out. You're going to give it to me, because that's just how you are. I don't want you to give it to me.
I can't now.
No.
I'm going to swatch it all up and give it to you as a present.
That's great.
That's really nice.
So I'm jealous, though. Nice. Like, I didn't realize that there were different variations of the Allure Beauty Box. So.
Should have like a wet wipe or something down here.
I know, because
let me get it on everything.
Look how glittery my pants are from the other one.
Okay, so it's got this cute little baggie that was on top all by itself. I'm like, because we don't have a tiny table here.
So I see some similar things and some different things.
Okay, so did you get this?
No, that is a Luxie brush, which I love Luxie brushes. So it's very cool. It has a value of $12.
Nice.
And that's a 231 small tapered blending brush.
Cool, cool.
I did get that, though.
Natasha
Denona.
Okay, eyeshadow.
That's that one that's $27.
Ooh, really?
Did you get the same shade? Is it like 27G or something? Yeah, I actually really like this. It's a great all over the lid color. I've been doing really
pretty
fast, simple looks lately, and I love that color, so.
Pretty.
It's really pretty.
I like the little case it's in. I like small things like that I can just bring around with me.
Right. I think that color specifically is great for a single shadow because you can just put it all over your lid. And these are nice neutral colors. They're not like out there.
Start taking the wrappings off so I can not have a box. Whoa.
We got this. It's
Don't
gonna
know
be
about that.
okay.
It's pretty late. And we should have had coffee instead of drinks.
Instead of, I don't
I could
drink.
use this like 5 minutes ago.
I like that. I've actually used quite a bit of mine. Farewell Frizz. That's the Briogeo Farewell Frizz. Ooh, you're gonna be excited in a minute. I didn't get that. I got that. I like it. I mean, it's not. I think it takes a lot to say farewell to this frizz, but.
I'm so sorry.
No, you're not.
My aim was a little off there.
You brat.
There's no more frizz on
I
your
can't
face.
say the things I normally say to you right now.
Uh-huh.
Oh, Phoebe, are you having a field day over there? What you doing?
There's probably a cat on the floor.
She's just rubbing around in the blanket, making lots of noise. Baby Phoebe. Alright. See, that's what I said you're going to get excited about. I didn't get that.
Scalp and body scrub. Scalp and body.
What?
Is that scalp and body?
I'm going. Hold on. Yeah. It's my second. It's my second jar. My second jar of the scalp and body scrub. It's that good. It contains sugar crystals that remove product residue and flakes from your scalp, and glycerin, coconut oil, and sweet almond oil to keep the rest of your body hydrated and smooth. Cool. This has a value of $38. Huh.
That's crazy.
It smells good.
Yeah, but that's crazy.
That's a crazy amount. That's like in my ear.
Oh, my ear won't have any frizz here. Your ear hairs won't frizz.
I don't think I have ear hairs yet.
Oh.
I found a nose hair the other day, but not an ear hair.
I always have nose hairs because I'm part Italian. That's what it is.
Yeah. So that's cool. I didn't get that one. I didn't realize there was
Interesting.
different variations.
Interesting.
That's kind of cool.
Okay, next.
I got this. This is the self-tan.
Oh, did you try it?
No.
You need to.
So you get how many?
Up to 10 days from an application, and there's 2 of
Yes,
them.
you get 2, and they sell for a pack of 8 for $25. And this is the Vita Liberata Phenomenal Organic Tan Infused Cloths. You know, I got a third one in a, or maybe another 2 in a bag that
I would try it.
From
What's the
QVC?
worst that can happen is you'll turn up a little orange.
I don't know if I'd put it on my face. But then I'd have to have foundation that would match whatever
I
color.
tan really fast, though. I've only been outside a couple days, and I'm already, like...
I'm white and red. My arms just get red. And bruised.
Yep.
I'm fat. Alright, so that was her box. So it's interesting because it was different than mine. Alright, let's get into the May one.
Oh, no, we're just drinking enough. We don't care what's behind us. Is that what's going on?
Okay. What the frick is that?
Want to drink?
Did I want another drink? I think I'm good for a minute. Oh.
Yes.
Okay. So this is what the little booklet looks like this month. Should I pull up the first thing or not? Oh, well, I do have something out of the bag. Okay, so it looks like maybe they threw it in the box. Is this maybe? No, because this wasn't what it is. So this is from Laritzi Cosmetics. This is lip gloss in the shade Vibe. I like. This is going to be a very interesting video.
Yeah.
I like lip gloss.
You should record some snippets of yourself saying words that you can put over top of yourself. Sound bites.
I don't know,
That's
is
what you
this going to be...
need. You need sound bites.
You know, we just talked about this in like the last video we filmed together about
well, you
how I
should
need
have done
to...
it, I guess.
Okay, is this going to be one of those colors that are too light? Oh, I need not. What do you think? That's not too bad.
I like it from what I can tell over top of...
Whatever else I had on,
you
yeah.
had on. Sometimes when you mix 2 colors together,
So that's cool.
they do better.
I don't know if that's in my book and has a value in it. Heck, I don't even know where my book went. Do you know where my book went?
What's this?
Yep. As she eats more of her cheese.
I'll try to eat them really light.
So this is a value of $20. What? What?
I'm trying to eat really light.
Okay. Open your box.
Oh, I thought we were just going to open yours.
Well, don't you want to just go back and forth
Sure,
on this one?
that's
Because
fine.
we might have similar things.
Cool.
Cool.
Mine's orange.
This is mine. Yeah, you got it too. So she got same one.
Cool.
Same lip gloss.
I like lip gloss. So, go.
What?
Just the next one. I'll just copy you.
So the bag is orange this month.
I'm not sure how I feel about these light colors, though.
I like this one over what I have on. And I don't feel like it's sticky. It's not sticky.
I've been trying to go
And it
through all
smells
the
sweet.
ones I have and like label them so we can do that whole toss thing. With stayed on long with sticky, you know, that kind of thing.
Yeah, yeah. So the first thing I see in here is from Saint Tropez Self Tan Purity
That looks real
Bronzing
clear.
Water Face Mist. Natural glowing skin. Interesting. Do you have that?
Yeah, I see it.
This retails for
Maybe we should do HelloFresh.
$30.
Bronzing water.
Says this facial tanner goes on clear in a superfine mist that hydrated my skin. I used 5 spritzes across my face and neck and upper chest before bed. Didn't feel the need to blend and was thrilled with a noticeable but believable tan. Oh my gosh, I woke up too. I'm scared.
What's the worst that can happen?
I can't wait for tomorrow morning. You need to do your neck.
I just did.
Under your chin.
It's really light. It's like
It smells nice. I'm
so
scared
weird.
for what she's gonna wake up like.
I'm gonna go to work. I'm gonna be like, hi.
If she sends me a
The
picture,
children will scream. Ah!
your children are gonna scream in a minute. If she sends me a picture in the morning, I'll insert it. No, no. That's interesting. Those kind of products just terrify me a little bit.
Why not?
She's sparing her arms. That's the face mist.
I know, but you want to match, don't you?
Sure.
I mean, a little bit.
Sure.
I'm so weird.
What was this? Okay. I haven't laughed this much in a long time. My face
need more
hurts.
sleep.
My face
That's what happens
hurts.
when you get with Amanda.
Is that why everybody wants to get with Amanda?
Right.
Alright, next up, I think.
I wonder how that'll work. You're supposed to do it on clean face, right?
I think so.
We'll see.
Okay. Because you don't have foundation, you just have a little bit of eyeshadow and mascara.
Yeah.
So from Amore Pacific of Youth Revolution Radiance Cream and Mask. Okay, what do you do with this?
Boost skin's own moisture retention abilities, helping to prevent the visible signs of surface lines and wrinkles. Apply morning and night since what? How much is it worth?
Lord. Okay, these must just be the full size prices because there's no
Right?
freaking way. Look at. Look at.
I had it upside down for starters. $200. Holy. So we're just gonna put that right on top of all that other stuff we put on. Why not?
So I feel like I did just get something really similar in that freebie bag from QVC. And they did the same thing.
Is this gonna work overnight too?
I don't know.
Is it gonna fix me?
That is crazy.
I'll be tan and beautiful when I wake up. I feel like I'm rubbing the lamp. I'll be tan and beautiful when I wake. All those wrinkles will be gone. I'll be 20. I'll be 20 and tan.
I'm gonna choke.
You gotta rub really hard though. I can't believe I said that.
Since our notification just came on the screen, I'm not sure
What?
what was happening there. Hold on, we'll be right back. I'll make room and Amanda can breathe again, maybe. I'm so curious. I gotta know, what the heck is this? What is this?
Erase. Oh yeah.
Is it Lou by
Is it Lou?
Jean Seal?
I don't think so. I mean, it doesn't look like it.
I didn't know
She's gonna have to edit this whole
I
thing.
didn't know this was gonna be the dirty Allure Beauty Box video.
Okay, so it says erase on it. We're just gonna
Erase
try
your
this
face.
too.
Oh my gosh, you guys, this is gonna be the worst Allure Beauty Box
Directions.
ever.
Mix a tablespoon of erase with half a tablespoon of water to form a paste. Apply to face. Yes, see?
So
See?
wait a minute.
So I don't have any water. What happens if I mix it with limerita?
It says wait a minute. It's made with milk powder and oats.
Okay.
Wait a minute and massage it
Oh, I
away.
thought you were talking to me. Wait a minute.
No, wait a minute. Wash it away. And it clogs pores and renders skin as soft as a baby in a tiny velour tracksuit. That's what it says. Value $15. I have never heard or seen such a product.
Paste should come off like eraser peels.
A razor.
Eraser!
Oh,
Eraser!
eraser. I thought you said like razor peels. I'm like, what the heck are razor peels?
Interesting.
Here's a peel. No.
Where do you see something about a baby? Oh, you're reading the paper. I was just reading the bottle.
Yep. Usually.
I see nothing about a baby in a tracksuit on here. I'm making that shit up, man.
No. Okay. From Laneige, we have Moisture Cream Water Bank. What is this?
It's moisture cream. Gently spread from center to the face outwards after essence.
Essence is like a facial oil or an essence that some people use. I don't have that in my book.
Do not use on wounds. That's what it says.
I don't see that in my book. Okay.
Richly texturized cream with hydroionized mineral water to circulate and retain skin moisture.
Okay, so just some moisturizer.
Yep.
Alright, I'm gonna put the last thing up first.
Sure. Highlight metallic eyeshadow.
I thought I saw this
It
one.
doesn't say what color it is. That side.
It's like a treasure hunt. Oh, this is from Model Co. And this is in the shade St. Bart's.
Ooh.
Just say what color it is. This is in the shade St. Bart's, and this is $12 value.
It's kind of a pink color.
Looks like we both got the same color.
It's fancy.
I've been really liking cream eyeshadows lately because they're like fast to throw on. As long as they're a decent one.
I've always felt they're a little heavier, but maybe I don't spread them as much as they're supposed to be.
Just depends on.
It's kind of pretty. It actually matches one of those other colors I have on my hand from something.
We have a lot of things going on. Yeah, that's pretty though. I like it. I would definitely wear that. She says. I feel like that's fairly sheer too. It's like right here. It's real shiny though. I don't know. What do you think? Are these worth $15 a month?
I think
Violets are blue.
maybe yes.
Maybe yes.
I mean,
I like it so far.
I put back the other.
I think I would have been super excited about like what you got in that one over there. Alright guys, that was Allure Beauty Boxes. One for April, 2 for May. And I was surprised that like you got different stuff in your April one than what I did. So if you get it and you got different stuff, let us know. I didn't realize, I thought they were all the same.
Maybe.
So,
I'm special.
well, honey, you're very special.
I still think it was probably leftovers.
But that was an awesome leftover.
I know,
I'm super
but-
jealous.
Maybe they thought they gave you cooler stuff. I don't know.
I wonder what, I got a Mally Beauty eyeshadow stick, which I really like, by the way. But anyway, if you like videos like this, subscribe before you go. We'd love to have you join us. And we hope you have a great day. Bye. I hope you have a great day.
This expires.
Yeah. A lot of stuff expires.
Like me.
Are you expired now?
Way past.
We're gonna go sit in the hot tub for a few minutes.
We're probably drowned.
I'm not gonna drown, and I'll try to save you. Okay. I hope you have a great day. Bye, guys.
Why is there a bug on me? Pretty much is how I looked. Wow. That was worse. That was definitely worse. This is Amy's circus tricks.
I didn't even give me another drink.
No,
I asked for one a while ago.
Yeah, well.